Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn Angular. Angular is nothing but it's a front-end framework. Angular is nothing but a front-end framework. Use it to build. Angular is a front-end framework. Front-end framework. Use it to build. Use it to build dynamic web applications. Dynamic web applications. Okay, like dashboards like dashboards, comma, admin panels, comma, admin panels and real-time applications and real-time applications, scoreboards and everything what you are seeing in cricket board, right? Those are all nothing but a front-end frameworks. Okay. See, you see Amazon.com. These are all user interfaces. What is nothing but those are all front-end frameworks. See, Angular is nothing but it's a JS framework. Why we need Angular? We need see we need Angular. Why it is called a framework means frameworks is nothing but it is creating one structure format. By using the structure, just we are writing the code. That is nothing but a framework. Okay. To create dynamic web applications purpose, we are using Angular framework. Okay. It was developed by Google. Angular framework was developed by Google. It is written in TypeScript. Microsoft developed this TypeScript. Okay, TypeScript, and it is a superset of JavaScript. Superset of JavaScript. Superset of JavaScript. Okay. See, in JavaScript, for example, if you want to declare a variable value to a variable, let x is equal to 10, you have to write in JavaScript. But in TypeScript, what you have, it is strictly typing, static typing. That's why you have to mention the type. You have to mention the type also. See, based on the value, it automatically declared the data type in JavaScript. But in TypeScript means strictly it is you have to mention the type for the variable based on the value. You have to mention the type also. That is nothing but a TypeScript. And also it is a single page application. It's the main. What is the main advantage of Angular framework? If anybody asks me, it is a single page application. What is meant by single page application? Sir means, see, I will show you. I will show you. Single page applications means what I'm see. Amazon.com. See, if you click on this one, see this thing and this thing. See, leave it. I will select products. For suppose I will select products. See, click see this thing and this thing loading thing. When I click on this one, what happens? It is loading entire thing and a new web page is coming here. This is not a single page application. See, if I click on this thing, see entire page is loading again and again. New page is coming. When I click on this thing, again entire things are loading, new page is coming. But single page application in the sense means what? See, single page means when I click on this, see here it is not loading. When I click on this, see, not this one, React, React.dev. See, when I click on this, page is not here. It is not loaded. When I click on this, it is not loaded. When I click on this, it is not loaded. When I click on this, here it is not loaded. When I see, when I click on this, when I click on this, here loading is not happening. Here loading is not happening. When I click on this, here loading is not happening. When I click on this, here loading is not happening. Only this particular section only data is changing. But spinning and loading is not happening. That is nothing but a single page application. That is nothing but a single page application. Okay. Instead of reloading the entire page, it is that particular section of data needs here, it is changing. That is nothing but a single page application. Okay, it is fast and interactive websites. React and Angular both are single page applications only. Both are used for front-end dynamic web applications creation purpose only. We created, see, next, Angular J was previously before Angular JS is there. Angular JS means only JavaScript they used. Okay, only JavaScript they used. When Angular came into the market, Angular JS is not there because what happens means it uses TypeScript. Microsoft released this TypeScript. TypeScript meant I already mentioned. Here strictly you are mentioning the type. This is JavaScript. This is TypeScript. When Angular came now, it uses TypeScript from 2012 onwards. That means Angular 13 came. Next, TypeScript means versions will be there. And now Angular 18, Angular 21 is there. Angular 18, okay, Angular 16, like that. These are versions, some numbers will be there, then it definitely uses TypeScript. JS means JavaScript, it is going to use internally. Okay, to run and like that, it is going to use to run JavaScript. What are the things are required? See, browser can understand only JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. It will not understand TypeScript. Okay, that's why we need software like Node.js. We need software like Node.js. It will convert TypeScript to JavaScript. It will convert TypeScript to JavaScript, and it has Angular CLI, and it has Angular CLI. Okay, and we are going to use Angular CLI, and we are going to use editor ES code. See, see, to create Angular, some project structure we need. Okay, next, components we need. See, these are all called what? This is one component. This is one component, this is one component, this is one component. These are nothing but a components in e-commerce, products, orders, items, like that. These are all called components. Okay, next, component based framework. Okay, next, data binding. Data binding is what? See, if you want to from web page to, if you want to see the data in HTML, that means from TS file to TypeScript file to, if you want to see the data in HTML, that it's nothing but a data binding, like that, vice versa. Next, component communication directives. Directives in sense means in HTML file, if you use file IO, file iterations, see, file iterations, looping, switching conditions, if conditions, those are all things are nothing but a directives. I will explain you later each and everything. Okay, next, routing. Routing means if you click on one section, it will go to another page. See, if I click on this way, if I click on this thing, if I click on this thing, it is going to another page. That is nothing but a routing. Okay, one here it's not here component to one another component. Next, forms, reactive and template driven forms are there. Next, pipes, filters data connect to other format, one format. Next, services. These are the things, this those things we'll discuss later. First, we will create how to create Angular application. We will see how to create Angular application. We will see. First, you go to Node.js, and then Node.js LTS version. See, this you have to install. Go to this. Okay, go to this. Windows version is there. This downloads is there. Okay, this you need to install. Okay, after that, what happens, once you install, you can go to command prompt, and then you can check node hyphen v. This is Node.js 24th version. Next, npm hyphen v, npm hyphen v, that also you need to check. Okay, that is the npm version. See, all Node.js libraries are placed in, see, all Node.js libraries, if you want me, then all Node.js libraries are available in Node Package Manager. Okay. Next, I want to run npm install. Not this. Here you have to run. See, I am creating one folder, and then I am using one terminal, new terminal. See, new terminal I am taking command prompt there npm install -g at the rate angular or CLI. If I run this thing, what happens? We will see. Angular framework is used to create Angular applications. Okay, we will see what happens. Here, nothing is there now, right now. Once we install this one, what happens? We will see. See, 285 package is changed and npm fund it is showing. Okay, next ng wherever ng is there, that is nothing but a Angular. Wherever ng is there, that is nothing but a Angular. Okay, this is the Angular version. This is the Angular version. Okay, next we will see. Next what happens? Next what happens? Tell me. Directory. Next ng space new space Uday application. I am given application name as demo. This is the application. Demo is the application. Okay, I am creating new application name demo. New application name demo. Here it is showing css tailwind css, SAS, whatever you want. I want css. That's the next. Yes, I want. Next, anything you can select. No issue. Next, it is installing packages. This is the application, Angular application, and it is installing packages. It is loading. Still loading. Still it is loading. See, all default code. See, Angular means everything in component oriented only. No, component in the sense what it is linking HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Component means placing HTML, CSS, placing HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript in one file, one place. That is nothing but a component. Okay. Next, what happens here? We will see. Successfully installed. Okay. Once install happens, what happens? See, so many new structure. See, this is the project structure of Angular application. So many new names you are seeing right now. See, those node modules means so all the libraries will be there. Those all things will comes under node modules. Source. See, in source what happens? This is the main thing. In this source means main code. Main code is there in source. App means see. App means what happened? App. See, I will show you. See, app means what? Main code is the source means main code. This is the main code. Okay. App means main logic. See, app means what? One component. App means what? One component. In this component, what are the things will be there? HTML is there, TypeScript is there, special types is there, routes, HTML is there, CSS is there. Okay, and these all things are there. See what happens means I will show you. Components is nothing but a UI parts. UI parts means suppose you have a header, you have a footer, you have a side navigation bar, and you have a body. These are all nothing but a UI parts. These are nothing but a UI parts. Okay, I will show you. See, in app.component.html, what happens is go down, nothing is there. Okay. In index.html, app root is there, right? Index.html, app root is there. I will show you. cd demo. ng server command or npm start is there to run Angular application. To run Angular application. Once you run Angular application, it is going to show you. See. Yes. Okay. It is loading. It is running the Angular application. We will see. See, by default, 4200 is the port number for Angular application. When we run this, when we run this thing, see, hello demo. Hello demo. Demo is the application name. Hello demo. It is showing. Why hello demo it is showing? I will tell you. See, here explore the docs. See, Angular related documentary, and here what happens, tutorials, here AI related things, CLI documents, Angular language, Angular developers, what are the Angular developers, everything it is. See, this is the basic main page. Once you run the application, this is the web page. It is going to it is the basic page. It is going to display. See here, your application is running. Demo is our application. See, if I remove if I remove this app root, nothing is going to display. See, we will see. If I remove app root, we will see. Here, nothing is going to display. It is throwing an error because app root is the main thing. See, app root is the main thing. It converts TypeScript to JavaScript code. I will show you. Now it will show. See, here HTML, app.html, so much code is, I don't want this all code. See, what they written, nothing they written. I am removing those all things. I am writing h1 h1 tag. I am taking welcome to Udayit. Welcome to Udayit. I am writing. Next I am saving. Next we will see what it will throw. Next, see, welcome to Udayit. Welcome to Udayit. Okay, what is happening here? See, initially what happens means this TypeScript file is there now, app.ts file is there now. Here the selector is nothing but a, here we are importing component. Okay, yeah, whatever the app root here, same name it will be there in, same name it will be there in same name it will be there in index.html. That is nothing but a selector. It is nothing but a component. This is nothing but a decorator. Okay, next, template URL. Template URL means here app.html I am taking. From this it is getting the HTML data. That's why welcome to Udayit, it is going to display. Okay, next, see, app.ts, you have CSS also there. See, in app.cs, by default CSS will be there. If you want, means you can write for h1 color red. If you want, then you can write that color. See, now you can see. Now you can see color is, we are seeing in red color. Okay, like that you can use. Like that you can use. This is how you are going to use Angular application. See, one more thing. If you don't want, if you want, see, Angular means 4200 only for port number means no need. If you want your own port number also, I want 5000 as port number. Then you can, like this ng0-p 5000 if you given. See, then in application you have to run. Demo is my application now. ng serve hyphen p 5000 unknown argument p. Okay, unknown argument p. Okay, ng self 5000. Okay, something mistake is this version is not supported, I think. Unknown argument. Okay, I will check it in Google. Um, command maybe mistake. As you can see from here, no need. See, if you want to run our port number, you have to like it like this. You can use double hyphen port, double hyphen 5000. Now it is working. Maybe versions will not support. This is the new version, right? Old versions will not support for this one. See, now you can check same output. But previously 4200 is the default port number. Now see what happens. Now see 5000 port. In 5000 port number, I am running that code. See, welcome to the IT like this. Okay. Next, this is the things. Let's see. Next, we are going to browser and then we are opening every time. No need to go to browser also. If you mention O, it will automatically open browser and it will automatically display the output. See, you will see. Let's see. Let's see. Here it is blocking because of some problem. If I unblock it, then it will come, I think. See, automatically it is opening the browser. We no need to go to the browser and then we can copy paste and then we can run. Directly it is opening and then directly it is displaying the output. Hyphen O means. Okay, this is how we are going to use Angular application. Okay, next. Next what happens? Tell me. Hmm? Components. Components means what? See, components means what? Hmm? Anybody? See, if I want to create our own components, I want to create ng generate component abc component I generated. Abc is the component I generated. See, like if I click on app related data is there. If I click on abc, where is abc? Somewhere we created now, just now. We generated now. App. See. abc.css. ABC is one component, product is one component, order is one component, item is one component. Like that, ABC is one component. Component means it will link CSS, HTML, and TypeScript and JavaScript. Okay. Next, what we will do? We will see. What we will do? We will see. See what happens means I want to use. See, I want to use here I see ABC works is there, right? This ABC component I want in app component. This ABC component ABC works I want in app component. In that one component HTML code in another component I want. In that scenario, what I need to do? In that scenario, what I need to do? See, two things we need to do. First one is first one is first one is see here ABC works. This component HTML I want in app component. If I want an app component, then two things you need to do. Two things you need to do. I will show you. Yesterday, I will show you. First, you have to import. See, import ABC instead of header. You have to do ABC. Wherever header is there, you have to use ABC. Wherever header is there, you have to use ABC. Okay. Then next, yeah, wherever header is there, you have to use ABC. Wherever header is there, you have to use ABC. Okay, this is one way. I will show you. Where you need to place this code you need to place in app.ts. App.ts. So remove this thing and then you can copy that place. See, this is one way. This is one way. If you run this code, what happens you will see. App.html, what it is there? Okay. See, here previously template URL is there, but now I written template and back text I use only hashtag h1 tag app hyphen abc. Okay, app hyphen abc is there. Where you need to write this abc? From where this abc is came? Anybody tell me? Hmm? From where this abc is came? This came from here, here. Okay, app.html where it is. See, welcome to the IT. App.ts. Welcome to Uday IT. Okay, welcome to Uday. Okay, I will tell you. I will run and I will show you. ng serve. This is one way. In template itself, I am writing h1 tag. In template itself, I am writing ABC component. In template itself, I am doing these things. Import router hammer header. See, instead of router header, I am going to give ABC. ABC I need to give. Okay, ABC I need to give. Import ABC. Okay, import ABC. Okay, app has an ABC I need to give. App.ts. App.html. Index.html. App hyphen root. Okay, here abc.html. abc.html. 1 minute please. Open folder. Angular classes. So, app.html. App.html. Okay. Open folder. See, in app.html, what I need to give you is where it is app.html. Here, what I need to give is app hyphen abc. Why I am using this thing? Why I am taking this component here? In app component, I want abc component. That's why I am taking this thing. Okay, cd space demo ng serve ng serve sorry cancel ng serve or npm start. Now we will see what is the output we are going to get. Now we will see what is the output that we are going to get. Import app hyphen abc. Okay, import somewhere I done mistake. What is there? Header. A should be capital, I think. Component in component, what happens is first letter should be capital. That's why it is throwing an error, I think. Okay, where it is? App.ts. A should be capital. Now it is fine. Now it is going to run. Okay. A should be capital. Yeah, now it is running fine. Now it is running fine. Okay, we can go here. See, not this one. Here we can go 4200. Welcome to Uday ABC Works. See, remember this one. Welcome to Uday. Welcome to Uday. Here in template itself, I am writing in TX file. TS file. Internally, it converts into JavaScript because browser. This is the browser. Browser understands only JavaScript. Okay. See, and here I am importing another component. What is that component name? ABC. ABC is another component that I am importing. So ABC, ABC, ABC.html, what it is there? ABC works is there. That's why in output ABC works is displayed. Okay. See what happens means I will tell you. App.ts welcome to the displayed ABC works displayed. Then what we need to do? This ABC is one component, product is one component, order is one component, like that ABC is one component. That ABC component I want in app. That's why I am importing ABC. So in app.html, I write component app-abc, app-abc, like that we written in here. Okay, like that we written here. That's why output will come like that. Okay, I will do one more thing. I will show you another thing. I will show you another thing. This is one thing, and another thing is I don't want to change anything. I don't want to change anything. I don't want to change anything. I don't want to change anything as it is, whatever it is there in. See here, I changed template, backticks I taken, these tags I taken. Now, default code I am going to return. Default code initially starting whenever it started now, that code I am going to write here. Okay, this is the code, default code, default code. See, template URL, not template. Previously, according to my requirement, I return. Now, what is output that is going to display? Here we will see. Okay. Here in app.html, what I am writing is I am taking this one. Welcome to the IT ABC. Okay. I am import HTML from ABC component. Okay. See, we will see what happens. That is one model. This is another model. See what it is throwing. Some error it is throwing. Can you identify what is that error? Hmm? What is that error? I will tell you. Some error it is throwing. Why it is throwing, you will see. Okay. Errors still common, but you have to learn from it. Okay. Here app.html. Okay. App.html. Mm, okay. Mm, app.css. Okay. Okay, why it is throwing that error? Did anybody? Hmm? Why it is throwing? I will tell you. You are using app component, ABC component, but you are not doing any imports here. You are not importing. See, you are not importing anything here. See, instead of header ABC, you need to write ABC. This is header component I taken previously. That's why I am writing header. But you have to take ABC because ABC component I am taking here. This is my previous example. Okay. Next, whatever I am doing here, I am importing ABC component data. I am importing here. That's the ABC. Okay. This is how. Now we can see. Now we will see what it is going to display. So see, welcome to Udayit ABC works. Where it is there? Welcome to Udayit. It is there in ABC works in ABC component. In app.html, welcome to Udayit is there. Okay, it is displaying. It is calling ABC component. In ABC component, ABC works is there. That is going to display here. Now you understand, huh? This is how the Angular application will work. Next. See, in Angular, we have the project structure. In Angular, we have the project structure. Here, source is nothing but a main logic. In source, we are writing the main logic. App means, see, source is nothing but a main code. Entire code is there inside the source, and app is the main logic. Okay, components are nothing but a UI parts. Product, see, header, footer, side navigation like that. Okay, extensions.json, see here styles.js. Previously, here in app also app.css, abc.css is there. That means that particular component only that CSS is applicable. But styles.css means entire globally of all applications it is applicable. Next, node underscore modules means here all libraries will be there. Okay, and all library files by using npm we can get these libraries. Next, npm install if you want separate library if you want. That means for example npm install bootstrap library if you want. Npm install bootstrap. That library will be stored in inside the node underscore modules like that. Okay, next source inside the source app and see I wanna see for every application one module will be there. So for every application, one module will be there. See, in e-commerce, you have login module, registration module, product module, like that. Okay, one component means component is ABC. ABC is one component. App is one component, like that. Okay. Next, a component means it will place CSS, HTC. It will place CABC, CSS, HTML, everything it is placed in one file. Okay, one place. Next, assets. Assets means it's all images and everything. They will stored in assets. See, somewhere assets will be there. All images and everything it will stored in assets folder. Favicon means see in Amazon.com. See, this is nothing but a favicon. Favicon. Okay. Next. What happens environments means see main.ts is nothing but main.ts is there. Main.ts means .ts means TypeScript file. Okay, in Angular application different modules will be there. Which module you need to start first, everything it will be decided in here. Okay, see here app is the module that I am going to start first. Okay, next like this it will be there. Next edit next one is environment is there. Environment means what? We have production environment, we have development environment like that. Okay, next what happens? See polyfills.js, it is not there. It is there. Okay, next all configuration related things. See all configuration TypeScript configuration related things will be there in here. TypeScript configurations will be there in here. Readme means all the, whatever the in application whatever the things used everything you are returning in the readme. Okay, next package.json. See, package.json means name, version, scripts. See, start means ng server for running the application. For that I mentioned as start. If you want your own also you can do. Okay, next dependencies. Next the developer dependency, everything we are written. Next package object, same thing. Next Angular dot. Next one is Angular.json. Means all Angular related application settings will be available here. Okay. Next git ignore means see node modules have so many libraries also. Everything we don't want to include in production. That's why we ignore the node modules here. Once you install npm install, then all the modules it will be coming here. Okay. These are the things that are there in the project structure. Next one, first Angular component. See, I will show you here. Angular component means what is here? Angular component. See, app.ts. Okay, this is the Angular component. Import component from Angular library. This is the library you are importing. Okay, here what is this? Is the decorator. This is the component means decorator. Here selector you are taking app root. Here whatever the app root is there in index.html also same component we are taking inside the body app root. Okay, same, it must be same. Okay, this name only there only, they're also there. Okay, next template, whatever the template you want, you all the you can take here. There's already an example I already show you. Okay, we are importing component from Angular library, and then we are taking the decorator. Okay, it tells Angular how this component works. It tells Angular how this component works. Next, this is the HTML tag name. This is the HTML tag name. Okay, we can use it same selector name in index.html also. Here also app root only. Okay, next what we are doing, we are writing. See, previously I already show you an example. Template your app.html, and app.html, what is there? There they return some code. Okay, that is going to display there. Okay, next add dynamic data content. See, if I want dynamic data if I want to add, then what I need to do means, see here, title is equal to signal of demo app is there. No dynamic, if you want dynamic content, then you should go to HTML. You can go to HTML, and then you can write h2 tag. This is nothing but string interpolation title. Okay, now you can run. This is how you are going to add data, dynamic content. Okay, this is how you are going to add dynamic content. I will see dynamic content. You are going to see title demo app. How this demo app came? See how this demo app came in app.ts. By default, title is equal to signal of demo app. Okay, that I wrote in app.html. App.html, what I wrote? Title, where in curly braces. Title is nothing but a variable. Okay, this is nothing but a string interpolation. This is how you are going to add data dynamic content. Okay, dynamic content you are going to add like this. Okay, dynamic content data you are going to add like this. This double curly braces is nothing but a string interpolation. Title is nothing but a variable. Okay, next like that I will show you button. I will show you. Button. Okay, click button, click. Okay, so many things are there, no need to worry. Everything I will tell you. Okay, if you want to, in Telugu also I will tell you, no need to worry. Everything in Telugu also I will tell you. Okay, this is the demo class, that's why I am telling in English. Okay, if you want in Telugu, sir, I want in Telugu, I am not understanding English also, I will tell you. Okay, no need to worry. Your native language also I will tell you. But concept must be understood by you, because without understanding the concept, you are not able to do the. See, in TypeScript, what I need to do? I'm going to write show message function. Show message function. In show message function, I am alerting. I am alerting. What I am alerting? Welcome to Angular. Welcome to Angular. See, this is the thing I written in. This is the thing I written in TypeScript. See what I am doing. I am writing some function in TypeScript. Show message alert welcome to alert is the message. Okay. What is happening here? We will see. When I click in HTML, what I am reading? If you click is nothing but a event binding. Some action is performing means event. Event binding is happening. When a button is clicked, when a button is clicked, when a button is clicked, what happened? Function runs. Function runs. Show message function runs. It goes to show message. Show message. What it will do? It will alert. Welcome to Angular. It will alert. Welcome to Angular. So we will see. Welcome to Angular. It is displaying or not. When I click on button, show message function will run and it will show you. It will show you what it will show you. Welcome to Angular. Welcome to Angular. It will show you. Okay, outlook no ID. Okay, outlook no ID. Okay, I'm not asking. Yes, I'm not asking. Here also this is also no ID. Okay. See. Welcome to Angular is saying or not when a button is clicked. We will see. When a button is clicked, that function called and the inside the function alert message. Welcome to Angular. Welcome to Angular. See. Click me. Then I click, then welcome to Angular is showing. That is on nothing but event binding. Okay. See, I write the code in such a way that see here in TS what happened? Show message I am function alert welcome to Angular. In HTML what I am writing here when when you click a button, that means when you click on click me internally show message function called and go to show message function. When inside the show my function, it is going to show the alert box. Welcome to Angular. That's why here when I click on this one, alert box is came. Welcome to Angular. Okay, like that. Okay, now you understand about Angular event binding also. Okay, like this, so many concepts of the data bindings are there. See, from HTML to TS file, and see, this is nothing but TS file. TS file HTML you are changing like HTML to TS file you are checking. Then the data binding you are doing. Okay. See in real apps, see I will tell you in real applications, in real applications, in real applications. See when your button click, when a button clicks, what happen? Submit form. Button clicks for submit form. Okay. Data display user profile. User profile in real applications. Okay, API for backend connection. Backend connection means backend technologies. It is connected to database and it is getting the data. Okay. Next step. I will tell you what this will print. See, I will tell you HTML tag name. What this is going to print? nothing but whenever curly braces is there, then it is nothing but a string interpolation. Okay, name. Name means it is a variable. See here, if I mentioned name is equal to Uday, name is equal to Uday, then what happens? There also you are going to get the in HTML. You need to write in HTML. What you need to write? H1, H2, H2. What you need to write? String interpolation, name. Next, what you need to write? H2, H2. Then name is equal to Uday na, that it is going to display here. That it is going to display here. See, we will see. Welcome to the IT. Second one is name Uday. Name Uday. See, welcome to the IT. Whatever there is in HTML file now, welcome to the IT first display. So next name in string interpolation. Name is equal to the written in TS file, right? That is displayed. Next click option. If you click on this one, welcome to Angular is displayed. Next ABC works, it is going to display. This is how the Angular applications will work. Okay. Next we will see few of the topics related to the Angular. Okay. Next. Today what we know on this today in this class, what are the topics that we learn? What is Angular? What is component? What is data binding? See, from TS file to HTML file. See, here in TS file you are doing, in TS file you are giving that in HTML file you are changing, you are using, that is nothing but a data binding. Okay, in HTML file you are returning click me, that reflection happens in TS file, that is nothing but a data binding. Data binding is you are doing event handling, you are doing, this is nothing but event handling, this is nothing but data binding. These things you already understand. In full course, what are the concepts we are going to cover? We will cover routing, we will cover routing. Okay, we will cover services, we will cover API integration, we will cover project development, projects also we are going to cover, and everything we are going to cover. See, from basics to real projects we are going to cover you step by step. Okay, then next, this is how you are going to, these are the things you are going to learn in Angular course. Okay, main stack yesterday I already discussed in my last video class. I uploaded in Udayit Tech Academy channel. There you can go through, then you can understand about MongoDB. Okay, next React.js, next Node.js. Okay, next Express.js. But this is nothing but a main stack. But in today's class I am going to teach you only Angular. Why I am only Angular I am teaching means you can go through that video. It's because M means MongoDB, you already learned in React.js demo video, and A means Angular. So that is the new thing, that technology I explained in this class. Okay, next Node.js I already showed in React.js video, demo video, and Express.js also I already showed in demo video. Okay, this is the main stack course. Uday IT dot great hyphen site dot net is my YouTube channel. Udayit Tech Academy. Sorry, this is my website. Sorry, this is my, see, this is my website. This is my website, Udayit dot great hyphen site dot net. Udayit Tech Academy is my YouTube channel. Okay, at the rate Udayit Academy also you can. Okay, I am giving only online trainings. Okay, I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Okay, that's why I am teaching only online trainings related to the software technologies, as well as embedded systems and VLSI design, as well as CRT training. I am going to give you campus recruitment training also. See, if you want to pay the fees, then you can go to Udayit dot grade hyphen site dot net. This is the Angular course, right? Angular means mean stack course. This is mean stack. I am telling MongoDB Express.js Node.js also. See, what is the fee structure for Angular mean stack? We will see. See, mean stack 13,999. After this, actually, this course price is 23,900. In Bangalore or some of the areas, they are going to charge 1,60,000 also. I am charging just 39,999 rupees only, no GST and everything. Doing this less fees only, with less fees only, I am giving more content here. Okay. If you are interested, then first what you are going to do means sign up. You are going to do. Okay, full name, email, password, confirm password you can give, and then you can create account, and then you can go to login, and then you can sign up by using your email ID and password, and then you can go to home, and then you can enroll, see, and then you can go to main stack. Whatever the course you want, you can go through that one, and you have to pay the fees. Okay, everything I will tell you. These are all courses. See, main stack, enroll now, and then you have to use your username, password, and then log in. There, bank details will be there. Then you have to pay the fees. If you have any doubts before paying the fees, you can call to my mobile number. This is my mobile number. Okay, 8143827966 is my mobile number. This is my mail ID. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can call me, you can ping me, you can chat me or anything. I will tell you each and everything. No need to worry for anything. I will share you the document at the end of the session every day. And you have any doubts, you can call me, ping me, or chat with me. Okay, no need to worry about for anything. I will be there to help you. Okay, thanks everybody.